Graders, Mr. Askelson here. It is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Today we're working from the matrix on solving multi-step story problems. Now these can be a bit tricky and, and overwhelming, but using some of the strategies that we worked on to kind of break the story problem into parts can help you make sense and solve the problem. So here's an example of doing this. It says Sarah was baking cookies with her grandmother. Sarah baked 3 trays of sugar cookies, and each tray held 10 cookies. Her grandmother then baked 20 chocolate chip cookies. How many cookies did Sarah and her grandmother bake in all? So the first thing you want to do when solving a problem like this is apply that cube strategy to it. So you see I went ahead and I circled some of the numbers I have in this problem. I underlined my question, how many cookies did Sarah and her grandmother bake in all? I boxed what I thought were some important words, trays and each tray and then baked and then in all. Then I kind of had to figure out, well, what are those boxed words telling me? And then I'm going to go ahead and try and solve based on all that information. So from the cube strategy, I found out that there are 3 trays of sugar cookies, a 10 on each tray. So that tells me an equation right there. I'm talking about just the sugar cookies. Then I see that there are 20 chocolate chip cookies that were baked. So then how many in all? In all might say, well, add those together. 10 plus 20 plus 3 and get your answer. But not quite that simple, because we're talking about when it says 3 trays of 10 cookies, that of kind of tells me that maybe it's a multiplication problem. So I drew a little picture. I drew a picture of what Sarah baked. She baked 3 trays. So here's 1 tray, 2 trays, 3 trays. And on each tray, there's 10 cookies. So that is either a multiplication question, or I can use repeated addition, and I come up with 30 cookies. The next step was I looked to see how many cookies grandmother baked, and she baked 1 tray of 20 chocolate chip cookies. So you can see that there. Then the in all at the end says, well, how many cookies were baked in all? And so I took the 30 sugar cookies from Sarah plus the 20 chocolate chip from Grandma, and I came out with 50 cookies all together. So this is a 2-step problem. You can use multiplication to solve this one, or repeated addition, and then you add this onto that total and come out with your answer for the question. A question right from your matrix today, your activity, is this one. It says the Andersons are having a big family reunion and barbecue. 3 families were asked to bring hot dog rolls. Marcy's family brought 3 packages of hot dog rolls. Kyle's family brought 4 packages, and Andrew's family brought 2 packages. Each package has 8 rolls in it. How many hot dog rolls will the Andersons have for their family reunion? So I didn't go and do all the circling and underlining. I'm going to leave that to you. But from up here, we could see step 1 is apply the cube strategy to it. Circle the numbers that you see. Underline where the question is. Try to find some words that tell you what to do. And to try and help you with that, I just wrote a couple questions there. How many packages of hot dog rolls are there in all? So there's 3 families bringing hot dog rolls. How many packages are there? And then how many rolls are in each package? You can figure that out from the story question. And then how many hot dog rolls will the Andersons have for their family reunion? So how many hot dog rolls will there be all together? So it's a simple strategy, just kind of a 4-step method, asking yourself some questions, digging out the information from the story, and figuring out what you're going to do to solve it. I hope that helps 4th graders. Have a great day.